Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. This inverter project wasn't built in just a day or two. It took several days of effort and testing. I was quite busy, so I couldn't record everything, but this video highlights the key moments of the build. So, get relaxed and watch the result.
Every touch and every kiss, I thought I found my home in this. Your eyes, they held my destiny. We danced like stars in harmony. But love's a dream that fades too fast. You left me drowning in the past. Tell me why, tell me what went wrong in your arms. I thought I belonged, you were my fire, my beating heart. Now I'm just ashes torn apart. Torn up letters, frozen nights. Your love was smoke, fading lights. Another man, another lie. You played your game, I was blind. Tu voz me quema como fuego, pero ya no te quiero. Your voice, an echo lost in time. Your touch, a poison just in rhyme. You say it's nothing, just a mistake, but my heart knows the pain is fake. Yeah, listen up, girl, you play me like a record on loop. Said you love me, then switched up the truth. Late night calls, whispering dreams. Now you're gone, tearing at the seams. I gave you my soul, my name, my pride. Now you're out here, feeding me lies. Love ain't no game, love ain't a show. You reap what you sow, now watch me go. Tell me why, tell me what went wrong in your arms. I thought I belonged, you were my fire, my beating heart. Now I'm just ashes torn apart. You gave me lies wrapped up in gold. I gave you love, my heart, my soul. Now I'm walking, I'm done with this. Love dies slow in a storm like this. Girl, go play your foolish games. I'm no puppet, I'm not the same. I'll rise again, I'll dance, I'll shine. Someone real will take your place in time. You lost me, girl, I ain't coming back. Nah, this chapter's through. You had the world and you threw it away. Now watch me rise, no more words to say. Yeah, listen up, I ain't coming back. Nah, this chapter's through. You had the world and you threw it away. Now watch me rise, no more words to say. I see you cross the room, the lights dim low. Your eyes, they lock on mine and I know the chemistry's electric like fire in the night. I can feel your breath, it feels so right. Soft whispers in the air, I hear your name. But something in your smile feels like a game. I'm drawn to you, can't lie, I can't resist. Got me lost in your touch, every twist. Yeah, baby, you tryna play it cool, but I see it in your eyes. The way you move, the way you vibe, no disguise. You're walking that line, but I'm close to the edge. You got me on a ledge, girl, what's your pledge?
Now, here I am programming the big microcontroller in MPLAB IDE. For this, we need the code. Luckily, ChatGPT helps me write it.
Can't let you go, not tonight, not now. Your body close, I feel the heat somehow. You playing games, but I'm here to stay. Whisper your secrets, girl, lead the way. I see the way you move, like you're in control. But I know, girl, you're playing that role. You want the chase, but you need the fire. Let's burn it up, take it higher and higher. You pull me closer, now I'm lost in the sound. The way you touch, you got me spellbound. A little danger in your touch, I feel the heat. But baby, I ain't running, I'm ready for the beat. Yeah, you thought you had me figured out, huh?
First, I'll copy the code and paste it into the MPLAB IDE, then I'll wait for the code to compile and run.
You must adjust. Can't let you go, not tonight, not now. Your body close, I feel the heat somehow. You playing games, but I'm here to stay. Whisper your secrets, girl, lead the way. your eyes, the way you move, the way you vibe, no disguise. You walk in that line.
Next, I'll take that code and upload it into Proteus software to simulate the behavior of the circuit. As you can see, the generated waveforms are looking great.
Every time we blink, you want the chase, but you can't run. Baby, I got you, it's already done. Can't let you go, not tonight, not now. Your body close, I feel the heat somehow. You're playing games, but I'm here to stay.
Finally, I'll use Microburn software to upload the compiled code to the PIC microcontroller.
The world's all lost, underneath the stars, behind closed bars. I got your games, but I'm here to stay. Whisper your secrets, girl, lead the way. You walk into my attention, no
You can see the microcontroller in the programmer, ready to go.
That smile has got me hypnotized, but I can see through, no need to disguise. You tease me, girl, play it all day. I want you close, don't walk away. The tension's how we're feeling.
As you can see, this circuit didn't work, so I decided to redesign it. I created this transistor-based circuit to properly drive the MOSFETs.
Can't switch, you know what I want, so don't you try to run. I'm here for the night, baby, just have fun. Girl, you know you're working the ass, no lie. You're playing with fire, but don't ask why. I'm a motherfucker, get up in your mind. Listen with me, I'll leave you behind. You got me fucked up, but it's all good.
Here, as you can see, the output voltage is stable, and everything is working as it should.
I'm the real one, baby, for your own sake. Playing with fire, you know what I mean. I want it all, your body in between. You say no, but you're craving it too.
Did you know I created the background music in this video with the help of AI? A lot of effort went into this project, not just in building the inverter, but also in making this video. I don't want much, just a like and subscribe. It would mean a lot.
You acting like you're cold, but I see the heat. You want me, girl, but you're playing me cheap. I'm not the type to chase, I'm in control. But for you, baby, I'll take the toll. Your body language says it all. You wanna fall, baby, give me a call. I'm not playing games, let's get it on. We'll dance through the night until the dawn. I'm that motherfucker who'll make you regret all that talking, girl, don't act upset. You got me fucked up, but it's all good. You know I'm down and I'm misunderstood. Got you begging for more, it's a crazy vibe. I'm making you sweat, girl, no need to hide. You love it, don't front, don't act like you're shy. I'm a motherfucker and I'll make you high. I see the way you move, it's getting too real. Girl, you know you addicted, you can't conceal. I'll take you to places you've never been. You know I'm the one who'll make you spin. You know what's up, we ain't here to play. I'll fuck you right, girl, I'll make your day. Yeah, you know I'm that one, no second guess. I'll make you sweat, girl, I'm here to impress. You can call me daddy, I'll make you scream. Fuck all the haters, we live in the dream. You want the fight, girl, you want the heat. I'm the motherfucker who'll make you complete. Playing with fire, you know what I mean. I want it all, your body in between. You say no, but you're craving it too. No escape, I got my eyes on you. No more games, girl, you're mine tonight. I'm a mo. Don't go back, don't hesitate. Grab my stick, feel the heat, don't wait. We're locked in, ready to move. Rock hard, every step I prove. You think you know, but you don't know a thing. I'm the fire, girl, feel the sting. Don't act shy, don't hold back. I'm the one you've been waiting for, now that's a fact. Feel the heat, don't go soft. Grab the stick, let's take it off. Rock hard, we're going deep. With every move, we make it steep. See the way you move, it's dangerous. Got me burning up, it's contagious. We go hard, no You grab my stick, we'll burn it out. Feel the heat, never cool. Rock hard, we're breaking the rule.